Top 5 Human Smart Wrist Watches in 2024. Number 1 Klein Leather Fashion Band for Apple Watch. Number 2 Timex Men's T47012. Number 3 Marvel Adult Casual Sport Analog Quartz Watch. Number 4 Timex T80 34mm Watch. Number 5 Klein Women's Ceramic Bracelet Watch. Number 5 watch is Klein Women's Ceramic Bracelet Watch. Description: rectangular rose gold tone case with curved mineral crystal lens, light pink mother of pearl dial with rose gold tone hands and markers, light pink ceramic adjustable link bracelet, jewelry clasp and extender. Japanese quartz movement. Ceramic band with jewelry clasp closure. Case diameter, 28 mm. Number 4 watch is Timex T80 34mm watch, adjustable silver tone 18mm stainless steel expansion band, fits 7.25-inch wrist circumference, 24-hour chronograph with lap split times, month, day date calendar, silver tone 34mm resin case with acrylic lens, gray digital display, indiglo light up watch, dial water resistant to 30 meters, 100 feet, in general, withstand splashes or brief immersion in water, but not suitable for swimming or bathing. Number 3 watch is Marvel Adult Casual Sport Analog Quartz Watch. Description: officially licensed Marvel watch. For the Marvel super fan, our Marvel collection is a compilation of your favorite superheroes from the Marvel Universe. Exceptionally designed, our timepieces were designed to stay simply classic with a casual inspired look, suitable to be worn for business or everyday use. The case diameter measures 38 mm, and the strap/bracelet size of 18 mm. Quality materials: crafted with the highest quality material for the case and strap with a precise Japanese quartz movement for accurate time keeping. This watch also features a scratch-resistant mineral crystal to help protect your timepiece. Water resistant up to 30 meters, 100 feet, meaning safe to wear in the rain or get splashed. Do not recommend wearing it when bathing, swimming, diving, etc. Perfect gift whether for yourself or a Marvel super fan. This is the perfect gift to invoke. Number 2 watch is Timex Men's T47012 Expedition Metal Field. Adjustable brown 20mm nylon strap with black genuine leather trim, fits up to 8-inch wrist circumference, charcoal gray dial with date window at 3 o'clock, full Arabic numerals, silver tone 40mm brass case with mineral glass crystal, indiglo light up watch, dial water resistant to 50 meter, 165 feet in general, suitable for short periods of recreational swimming, but not diving or snorkeling. Number 1 watch is Klein Leather Fashion Band for Apple Watch. Secure, adjustable, Apple Watch band replacement, fits most wrists. Apple Watch band. Update your Apple Watch band with this sophisticated black crocodile pattern leather strap featuring gold tone lugs and a polished gold tone buckle. The Klein Apple Watch band is made from genuine premium leather. Secure closure. The reliable watch band style means you can trust it to stay in place. Plus, the stainless steel buckle closure is adjustable with multiple size options for your ultimate comfort. It's a great Apple Watch band for women. Adjustable buckle. The Klein Leather Apple Watch band is sized to fit most wrists and hardware is included to easily and securely lock band into watch. Premium leather. The Klein Leather Apple Watch wristband is handcrafted from premium, genuine leather. It develops character with use, making each band unique. Compatibility: compatible with 38mm, 40mm and 41mm Apple Watches. Please note that the Apple Watch device is not included, bands are sold individually.